Hello everyone. Normally people are looking for that how to regenerate the soil. The same soil is there, and the growth is not that much. And what to do? We want to change the soil. I want to buy some new potting soil. All those questions been asked. So very simple. Always remember the top soil, right? This is the area is the very important. You just need to energize, like how you have a glass of water will refresh yourself. Same way, see this kind of thing. Just see, this is the way. So this way the weed, everything will be there, all will be removed. So something you can able to notice. See how the mint taken the runner taken from single, how long it taken to this far away from the runner, it's growing, right? So you have to make sure it's breathes properly. This is an ancient farmer's technique. After the rain, they go and reflex the muscle, basically reflex the muscles of the soil. They used to do this kind of thing. Like they used to take the tool and put top soil up soil down little bit, and see. So just you have to make sure. So it's getting the enough oxygen. Now see, this is the weed again gets. So here I planted mint. I just want to make sure the bed, entire bed should be mint, because I'll show the earlier photo. In this automatically there are other spinach varieties also without I'm seeding grown. So now I have did it. See, just to make sure you don't disturb the roots. This side is no roots, so I'm just digging. It's all desert sand. Now we have to add the how you are adding up to topping up something, eggshells. It's like basically you are dressing up. It's like how you're making omelette, cooking, same way. So onion, egg getting basically mixed up. See the runner. You can able to see where it's just lying on the land. It will take roots down. Then it will spread like the entire area. That's the power of mint. So this way, even the eggshells one of the first repellent also. And some birds are coming, they can enjoy the feed little bit. They will not disturb the other thing. So you can put like this. So that's it. Thank you. This is the other one. Just a classic example of people are worrying about, now I need to have a proper potting soil to grow. I need to purchase a lot of other soil, other nutrition stuff, hurting our pocket. Now this is the one you can see. Yeah, desert sand, only desert sand. I feed it with a lot of rice water. Just rotate the soil, nothing else, no other thing. Just rotate the soil. Desert sand only, rotate soil. Every alternative day you used to give rice water in the same pot. Okay, that's it. And after the time, once before I plant the mint, what I did, I taken one country chicken, free range chicken, like what you will say call of actually, that egg completely broken. I mixed it, the egg, full egg in the soil, and completely mixed up, and then I feed it again with rice water, little bit of coffee grounds. That's it. I have planted two mint cutting only. How it taken up the runner. See that? Okay. So more than 15-16 time I harvested in the same bed. You can see the desert sand, right? So just desert sand, rice water, and later on a little bit of coffee grounds. And what I put it here at the top actually excels. That's it. Look at the growth. So this is enough to prove that you don't need to buy expensive stuff, hurt your pocket to grow your own food. Just matter of your own kitchen waste can do wonders. Thank you.